Hello everyone, welcome back. Beautiful day today. Blue skies out, birds are chirping. 50 degrees. I got a new GoPro camera to record on, the selfie stick, microphone. Pretty neat. Gotta move some equipment around today. Everything's been tucked away for winter. I got to get the combine out, move the corn header. What else? Then I can get a truck out. The truck is to go get a load of fertilizer. Gonna spread some fertilizer, a little starter before we plant the onions. Got to get some starting fluid out of the old 4850. Usually the combine pops off, but something happened to the camera there. Anyways, here we go. Fire up the 2030. We'll use it to move that roller harrow around. Oh no, this thing always starts. That's the problem right there. Bunch of corrosion. Little girl. Good girl juice. pretty good, I think. It's coming along. It's a dry fall. There's Odie. Dumbest dog in the world. Nice dog though. This is drying out. I'm tempted to give it a try. It's supposed to rain again though. It's just a little muddy still. Another few days. It's supposed to rain again. I don't know. Well, another dark, gloomy day. Got some rain last night. I thought I was going to be bedding some onion beds up today, but no luck now. Another few days. But we got some pipe and some flanges somewhere. Oh, right there. These are gonna go on here. I'm gonna weld them on. And that'll become a dual spacer. Be pretty cool. Alright. So I'm getting this lined up. I think I about have it. Give you a look. So, I used a, it's not quite cut 100% perfect to the pipe. So I've got 3 magnets, 4 jack, and a block of wood to hold it up. I'm just doing a little tap, tap, tap-a-rooing. Getting it lined. I think it's about ready for attack. I'll check it for squareness one more time. And I think I about got it. Get both sides done like this, and then I'll just tack or weld it lightly, and then I'll go dry fit it on the tractor. Make sure everything's gonna line up before I weld her solid, so there's not a bunch of grinding and cutting if I screw up. So, all right, dry fitted them. Now I'm gonna plasma cut out some gussets to go here to here, give this a little strength. Sideways, cut out 4 per thing, I think. See how it goes. All right, let's plasma cut this off. Alright, now I'm cutting these up into 6-inch pieces. Alright, got one finished. They're a lot of work, a lot more time than I thought it was going to take to do them. Usually does take longer than anticipated though. Here's what we got. ready for some paint. Well, it's been a long night, long day. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I finally finished up painting, gave them a few coats. Turned out pretty good. They'll do their job. Here's what we got. I had a paint malfunction. I was gonna do John Deere yellow, and I had some paint that was, I guess, kind of old. And it made a mess when I sprayed it on, so I had to wipe it all off, and luckily I had some black left over from a roller basket project I did this winter, so worked out good. It might be kind of cool. Black and yellow. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching today. What's coming up? Should be bedding onions this next week. Ready to go. Get these bolted on. Get the tires on. Should be fun. Well, thanks for watching, and have a good weekend.